your header section. Okay, so what I do recommend if you change your header background is stick to a neutral color, because let's say if you actually change that to a random color like a blue, then you're gonna see that it's not gonna match really well with your website and the images. Okay, so when you actually have a neutral color, for example a white color for your header, it's gonna look a lot nicer. It's sort of like wearing a white t-shirt. It pairs really well with any pants or any shoes that you're wearing. If you actually want to edit the links here, you go to main navigation and you would select menu link. Okay, so that's the link here, and for example you can change the color here. Let's change it to a dark gray. So this is a code, and when you actually hover over that, that is actually the menu link hover. Okay, the hover link color. So what I would do is I actually grab the URL here, the hex code, copy that to my clipboard. I go to a website called 0 to 255, click on enter color, paste it in, and enter that color. So what I like to do is I choose 2 shades darker or 2 shades lighter as my hover color. Okay, and I use that same formula consistently throughout the entire website. So I might try this one here, copy that, and then here go back to menu link hover, paste that in there. Right, so what that does is if you actually hover over the link, it's going to give you a really slight effect. If you can't really see it, you might want to go 3 shades, okay, 3 shades lighter. Okay, that's a little bit better. Now this is basically the same formula that top websites like Apple use. For example, when you hover over the link, it goes a little bit gray. Okay, so it gives that effect of, okay, that's a link, I can click on that. Okay, so we're going to go back here, and you can play around with all the different settings and colors here. So if you want to change the site logo, click on site logo, click on site logo here, and then you can change the title. Okay, so you can change the title, change the fonts here. There are hundreds of different fonts you can choose from. If you have a logo, you'd select logo image, and you'll click on plus to upload it. So I recommend going to fiverr.com to get logos for $5. It's really cheap, and you can also ask for a fav icon, which is the icon up here. Then click on publish. I'm going to show you how to add in your fav icon and social media. So click on X. Now let's go back to our dashboard section. Click on Themify Ultra Themify settings. Here you'll see fav icon, and you would click on upload, and basically I have created a fav icon. It has to be a PNG file, which means it's a transparent file, and the size of it is 32 times 32 pixels. Open, and then you can click on save. To add in your social links, click on social links here, and here you can add in, let's say, your Facebook profile URL. Copy that, and you can paste that in here. Okay, and select the icon. So for example, if you don't find Instagram, you can click on add link and add an Instagram there if you want to. Click on save, and then what you do is we want to display it. So go to appearance, click on widgets, and then scroll here down to the very bottom to look for Themify social links. Drag it and pull it up and drop it into footer social widget. Okay, and then click on open link in a new window, and icon size set to medium, save it. Let's go back to our website by clicking on visit site, and there you go, you've added in your social links and your website is pretty much complete. So thank you guys for following this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you have any questions, drop it down below. I'll see you guys in the next video.